the Spalding NBA Slam Jam Team Edition. From what I understand, it's the same as the other regular standard NBA Slam Jam version, just with 30 NBA team stickers included. So you can put whatever you want on here. No big deal. Pretty much the same as the standard version. 18 by 10.5 backboard over the door bracket. You have a 5-inch basketball. What I like about the Spalding series is that they look very authentic and true to the actual NBA style. They look very nice on your door, on your wall. So yeah, let's open it. Cool. There's your ball. Instructions, rim, backboard. Wow, look at all those stickers. Ball looks nice and authentic. Feels great. I'll blow that up in a minute. Put together instructions. It's very simple. There's 3 screws and bolts that put the rim to the backboard, and you put the net on. Very simple. Takes 5 to 10 minutes. There's our rim, screws and bolts. It's very authentic and nice. I like that. Here's our stickers, which I probably won't even put on, to tell you the truth. I don't follow any particular teams or anything like that. I'm the kind of guy I like to play sports, but I don't really follow sports, and watching other people play them is just not fun for me, personally. Yeah, that backboard looks nice, though. So I'm going to put all this together and set it up. The Spalding NBA Slam Jam Team Edition. From what I understand, it's the same as the other regular standard NBA Slam Jam version, just with